Welcome to the deep dive. As always, great to mention the AI Agent Store still, our essential map for navigating all the AI tools popping up.
Absolutely. It's invaluable.
Yeah.
And today, well, we're diving into something pretty fundamental, dealing with sensitive information in files, making it efficient.
Yeah, it's a task that can really eat up time, but it's so crucial for security, for compliance.
Definitely. So we found this tool highlighted on the AI Agent Store, Redactable. It promises a major shortcut.
Redactable. Okay. So its main job is, what, permanently removing sensitive stuff from your info.
Exactly. Permanently is the key word. And the big headline figure that jumped out at us, the time saving.
Right. Something like up to 98% faster than manual redaction. That's huge.
It really is. And that speed comes from its AI core. We're talking advanced machine learning, natural language processing.
So it's not just finding keywords. It actually understands the context to spot things like PII or PHI.
Precisely. Personal identifiable information, protected health information. It gets what that data is, which makes it much more accurate.
Okay, smart stuff. And features. I remember seeing something about handling scanned documents, because not everything is a neat text file.
Yeah, that's critical. It has OCR, optical character recognition. So it can read text even if it's in an image, like a scan.
That covers a lot of ground. What about metadata, that hidden info in files?
Good point. It handles metadata removal too, the author, creation date, that kind of thing. It scrubs that clean.
Why is that so important? Seems secondary.
Well, it's an extra security layer. You might blank out the text, but sometimes sensitive clues remain in that hidden data. Redactable removes that risk.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. Deeper cleaning. And it also provides audit trails and certificates.
Audit trails track every single redaction, crucial for accountability, proving you followed procedures. And the certificates are basically proof the job was done right.
Right. Useful for compliance or legal situations, I imagine.
Definitely.
So who's this really for? Is it niche?
Actually, it seems quite broad. We're looking at legal teams, obviously. Healthcare admins needing high-power compliance. Compliance officers generally. Even HR for things like resumes and data privacy consultants.
Okay, a wide range. Does it play nice with, existing workflows, cloud storage?
Yep. Integrations are there. Dropbox, OneDrive, the common ones. So you can slot it into how you already work, which lowers the barrier to entry.
That's always good. Less disruption. Now, how much does the AI actually do? I saw a figure, autonomy level.
Yeah, 87% autonomy, which basically means after you set up your rules, what needs finding and removing the AI does the heavy lifting with minimal, babysitting.
87%. That really explains the time savings. It's mostly hands-off after setup.
That's the idea. AI-driven workflow.
Can we make this more concrete, like a couple of real-world examples?
Sure. Think about a law firm needing to share discovery documents, automate redacting client names, case numbers, or a hospital processing patient records, automatically removing PHI to stay HIPAA compliant, or finance protecting client account numbers in reports. HR anonymizing resumes, maybe, for less biased screening, and just generally meeting GDPR or CCPA rules by removing personal data when needed.
That really covers a lot of common, tedious tasks across different sectors. What about getting access? Is it expensive enterprise software?
It looks like it uses a freemium model, so there's likely a free version to get started, test it out, and then paid options for more features or higher volume. Makes it pretty accessible.
Good to know. So if someone's browsing the AI Agent Store, looking for this kind of capability, what keywords help?
You'd search for things like document redaction, obviously, AI automation, PII removal, PHI compliance, maybe OCR technology, metadata scrubbing, and audit trails. This should bring it up.
Got it. Okay, let's wrap this up. What's the main takeaway here about Redactable?
I think the core message is, here's a really potent AI-powered tool for a necessary but often painful task. It promises significant time back and better accuracy for anyone dealing with sensitive data.
Right. So the thought to leave you with is, just consider how much time you currently sink into manual redaction. What could you do if an AI tool handled, say, 87% of that workload for you? Something to think about.
Definitely.
You can check out Redactable and, of course, explore many other tools over at aiagentstore.ai.